Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to avoid plagiarism using Grammarly on your iPhone step by step in very simple terms. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Grammarly app. In the bottom left corner, tap the green circle with sparkling icon. This opens the Grammarly assistant menu. Scroll through assistant tools until you see plagiarism. Tap on it. Grammarly will ask, start scanning your document and compare it with millions of online sources. After scanning, Grammarly will highlight sentences that match or look similar to content online. Tap on each match to see where it came from. This explains you understand what needs to be changed. To avoid plagiarism, rewrite the highlighted sentence in your own words. You can use Grammarly suggestions for better clarity and tone. Make sure the meaning stays the same but the words are different. If the text comes from a source you want to use, don't delete it, cite it. Tap the assistance again, choose the citation and Grammarly will generate a citation for you. Paste it into your document. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.